This is the Sunkissed Bronzer and it is perfect for everyday use. If there's one thing you must have in your kit, it is a bronzer. If you're in a hurry or you're someone who doesn't have a lot of makeup or can't afford a lot of makeup, this bronzer is a must-have in your makeup kit. So stay tuned to find out how I use this beautiful product in multiple ways. Our bronzer is semi-matte, which makes it ideal for contouring. Now, if you don't have a specific contouring brush, our vegan Kabuki brush is perfect for anything that you need to apply to your face. Simply convert it into more of a contouring brush by pinching the bristles together, and you will get a finer tip on the brush. So you can add definition to your face by blending under your cheekbones, defining your nose, and anywhere else that you would like to contour, such as your hairline on your forehead and also your jawline. It's best to start with a small amount of bronzer and make sure you tap off any excess. It's always easier to add more. It's trickier to remove product. However, if you do add too much product and you need to blend it out, our mattifying mineral powder is the perfect way to blend out those harsh edges or mute some of the color that you've applied if you've put a little bit too much on. You can also add warmth to the face overall with areas that the sun would normally kiss, such as your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and obviously your cheeks as well. You can also put this on areas of your body that you would like to add a little bit more warmth or glow to. One of my absolute favorite ways of multitasking with this bronzer is for the eyes. If you're in a hurry or you don't have a lot of eyeshadows, you can use this as an all-over eyeshadow. You can also use it to contour the eyes, going through the crease, and you can use it to blend with other makeup products that you might be using on the eye. So if you're creating a smoky eye, you could use this bronzer to blend everything out and create a really nice smoky effect along the lower lash line and also through the crease. Our bronzer is really gentle on the skin. It contains vitamin C and organic rose hip, so it's perfect for the eye area because it does have those gentle anti-aging properties and it won't irritate the skin. So they were my top tips on how you can multitask using the gorgeous Sunkissed Bronzer. If you have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out to us via email, or you can connect with us over on our Instagram page. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.